Some few months ago, I dropped an update about a free Profim account and I was able to make a withdrawal from it. Now this right here, I made a live withdrawal from the Profim account after passing their first and second phase. Now you can see right here on the screen, this was the withdrawal which I made, and I'll be sharing with you a clear update about this same Profim account. And for you to actually take note, we had some complications about the Profim that actually made a lot of people a very simple rule which was added to the account. Now I tried explaining when I dropped the update the last time, and I'll be showing you every necessary important details you need to know. Now, if you know you're just coming across this channel for the first time, this is your first time of seeing this channel, I'm Daniel Light, and you can see the name of the channel that says Make Money with Daniel Light. So the first thing you need to do, just subscribe to the channel. And there's also one thing we used to do for everyone coming across this channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and it's a must. You must give this video a like. That's a little way of saying thank you to every effort I'm putting to making sure everyone is able to get a free capital to start the forex market. Now, also there's a link in the comment section. I pinned the link. If you click on it, it brings you to the Telegram channel. Join the Telegram channel so you don't miss out anytime I drop updates about how to get a free capital. And also, if you know you're coming from the Telegram channel to watch the video on YouTube, the first thing you need to do, like I said earlier, make sure you give the video a like. And also, in case you have any aspect of the video you don't understand, leave a comment. That's the best place to actually reach out to me, or you can actually reach out to me through my WhatsApp or Telegram account. And if you check the description, the link to those accounts are there. So in order not to waste your time, once you click on the link in the comment section and join the Telegram channel, in the Telegram channel you see a link that will bring you to a site named JoinHex. Now you can see the name of this site. It's called JoinHex. Now, to go straight to the point, all you need to do after taking your time to go through the site, just click on Start Evaluation, and you'll be asked to create an account with them by filling in your details. So we all know you just have to fill in your details and then you get logged into the site. Now you don't need KYC to get this account. That's why you actually need to pay attention to these details. So once you click on Start Evaluation, you'll be brought here. You can see email and password, but since you don't have an account with them, you just click on Sign Up. And if you have an account with them, don't worry, just log in your account and you need to follow the steps after explaining right here. So you click on Sign Up, and immediately you are logged into the site, you should have details like this. Now, this platform was actually different from how it was earlier, but if you sign into your account, you should be having it just like this. Now you can see right here it says challenge, and also you can see details over here that says choose your plan and choose challenge. Don't forget to change this to 2-step challenge. And also right here you can unlock any of this challenge right here. If you check this section, there's a 200k account, there's a 400k account, and there's also a 800k account. So you can unlock any of these accounts depending on your choice on the account which you want. So I'm actually going to be unlocking the 200k account, and just follow the step on how I did this. So if you scroll up a little bit, you'll be having this section that says customer details, the date of birth, the country where you're from, your city, your streets, postal code. So you fill in all these details correctly, and once the details are being filled, all you need to do is to scroll up to this next section. Now once you scroll up to this next part, which is very important, now you can see right here this account details about the account. Now make sure you click on these boxes in front to agree to the terms and conditions, and there's a section right here that says discount code. Now this place is very important. I'll be adding the code also to the description. What you need to just type in is May 100. You can see in capital letter, and you put 100 at the back, and also agree to these terms and conditions right here, and just click on apply. Now you can see what I did right there. Clicking on apply will just change this section right here to having the balance right here that says 36,000. You can see right here it will change it to 0%. You change it to 0, which means you are getting this account for 100% free. Now you can see it shows 0 for the total amount, and you just need to click on continue to payment. Now you know, since the balance is showing 0 and you click on continue to payment, it means you're actually getting it for free. You're not paying any single amount to get the account. So clicking on continue to payment would actually proceed to showing details like this. Now you can see what it showed after it's downloading. You can see what it wrote right here. This may take a while. We are processing your purchase, and within the next seconds I got this right here that purchase successful. Now you can see you just need to click on continue to challenge. Now you'll be having this right here, and without wasting any of your time, all you need to do, if you want to start trading with the account, you just need to click. You can see right here the account is a two-phase account and the next phase is a trading account. So once you click on these three lines at the top right here, you can see it shows trade now. Now once you click on it, it takes you to this site right here, having the details just like this. Now you can see, for those of us who actually have an account with them, you notice there's some difference from how the account actually looked like the first time. So if you actually click on this right here that says position, this is where you see your balance, and this is also where you'll be seeing your running trade once you place a trade, this right here position. And if you click on the first icon that says trade, you see currency pairs which you can actually trade on. And in case you type that you should trade on gold, you search for gold. Now right here you can see, if you click on this stats, this is where you see the requirements you need to meet to be able to pass the first phase and the second phase. Now for the first phase, you can see the requirement says maximum daily drawdown, which is 20,000. You can see it right there, and the profit target is 32,000, while the maximum loss limit is 40,000, the maximum loss which you can actually make with the account. And if you scroll up, more, you see details that says the objective which you are required to meet, and which is right here. You can see maximum daily loss, every single details necessary for you to be aware of, and you need to complete a minimum trading day of one trading day. Now the last time I made a video about this platform, the little rule which was added to it, which a lot of us missed, was that you are not supposed to pass the first and second phase within a single day. You're supposed to give it a 3 days interval. A lot of us missed out on that. Even myself missed out on that. I had to create a new account to get the one which I was able to make withdrawal from. Now I saw a lot of comments also about a lot of people who actually missed out on that little rule which you actually slipped on. So I don't know if it actually applies to this also, but once you pass the first phase, make sure you give it a 3 days interval before passing the second phase. So right here, I've been able to trade with this account and I passed the first phase. So I'll just need to wait till Monday before I actually continue to trading the phase 2 of the account. Now if you see right here, details right here, this was the trade I opened and it's actually running in profit. This same trade was what I used to pass the first phase of the account. Now you can see, and I'll be showing you how to actually place a trade, so that you won't be having issues once you get the account. I know for sure almost everyone will be getting this account before the codes end. Now if you click on this first icon that says trade, see the trading pairs right here, and if you click on search, in case you want to trade on gold, you click on search. Now once you type the name of the currency pair you want to trade on, you get it right there and you just click on it. Now this is what this chart look like. Now you can see right here the chart, and you just need to click on either you want to buy or you want to sell. This right here, you can see there's a buy, there's a sell, and once you click on either any of the options you want to place order on, so it will show you details just like this. Now this is where you put in the lot size. You can see right here, you type in the lot size into this box right here, and you put in your stop loss and your take profit, and click on this right here that says market buy to activate the order. Now once you fill in the lot size, you'll be able to just click on this and the order will be activated. And if you want to check your running trade, don't forget, you just click on this place that says position. Once you click on this, you see your trade running just like this right here on the screen. Now after passing the first phase and and you want to start the second phase of the account, it's very simple. Just see at the top right here that says passed. I just passed the phase 1 of this account, and I now want to change it to the second phase. Now you just see this arrow right here beside these details at the top is what you click on, and immediately you click on it, it will show you more options about another account. See right here, I passed this first one and this is the second one that's available. So this is what you click on, and then it will switch to the second phase of this account. So once you click on it and it switch to the second phase, so you just need to start trading. But don't forget, like I said earlier, give it a 3 days interval before you actually pass. I'm not saying before you trade. I mean before you actually pass the second phase account. Now since you have this right here for the account, this is the second account which I claimed, because you don't need KYC to get this account. You can create. I'm not advising you to create multiple accounts, but you can actually get it if you create multiple accounts. And this right here, this account which I used to get it, was one of the accounts which I created during the first time which they started the campaign. So I'm sure everyone will be able to get it before this code ends. Now you see there's a coupon code which you need to get it. So before the code expire, I want everyone to go straight to claiming the account. So in case you have any aspect of the video you don't understand, just leave a comment in the comment section and I'll be glad to reply to any issues you are facing. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and like I said, give the video a like. It's one of the little ways to say thank you to this effort I'm putting to making sure everyone gets free capital. Have a nice day, guys.